Hello family, Sir here, and today we are going on a house tour in Rock Hill, South Carolina. It is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, and 2 half bath house with a basement that's just over 5,000 square feet. I'm Sir Ashley, and on this channel we talk about money, personal finance, real estate, and all things Charlotte. Yes, we are looking at a house in Rock Hill, South Carolina, because Rock Hill is still considered part of the greater Charlotte area. Rock Hill to uptown Charlotte is just a 30-minute commute, and with prices rising so fast in Charlotte, more and more people are looking at Rock Hill as a possible option to buy a home. Now, before we go look at this property, I want you to know that it has been recently remodeled. The asking price is $495,000. It has a pool and it sits on just over 1.5 acres. Also, pay attention to the owner's wing because it's not just a suite, it has a whole wing that is 2 stories large. Come inside and let's take a look. Let me know your thoughts and let me know if you're interested in it. If you are, you might be able to put pen to paper and present an offer.